Human chorionic gonadotropin, commonly known as HcG, is the vital hormone responsible for maintaining pregnancy. Let's take a look at how this works. The 2-week-old embryo releases HcG into the bloodstream. Through endocrine signaling, HcG travels to the corpus luteum of the ovaries. Now let's take a closer look at the cells of the corpus luteum. First, the HcG molecule binds to the HcG receptor in the cell membrane of the ovarian wall. A G protein is activated by that receptor. After picking up GTP, it activates adenylyl cyclase. The adenylyl cyclase cyclizes ATP into CAMP. This triggers a protein cascade. The CAMP activates pKa, which in turn travels to the nuclear envelope. Through nuclear translocation, pKa activates CREB. CREB can increase or decrease the transcription of genes. In this pathway, CREB increases the transcription of steroidogenesis, which produces hormones for the maintenance of the endometrium. Another pathway HcG induces is through the G protein, which also activates the release of prolactin. Then, through autocrine signaling, prolactin binds to a prolactin receptor, which then releases MAPK, which regulates cell proliferation. The G protein also increases the production of certain proteins depending on the phase of the cell cycle. These proteins are PCNA and G1, cyclin E and S, and CDK1 and M. These proteins all lead to cell proliferation. Now let's see what the big effect of HcG signaling pathway is. In the uterus, the cell proliferation and increase of transcription of steroidogenesis lead to the strengthening of the endometrium to support pregnancy. As the fetus continues to grow, it secretes more HcG, which in turn continues to support the endometrium for the nourishment of the fetus in a positive feedback loop. While HcG usually acts in a positive feedback loop, when in excess, it can trigger a negative feedback loop. When excess HcG is introduced through things such as fertilizing treatments or hormonal birth controls, it inhibits luteinizing hormone production in the ovaries, leading to a buildup of HcG, which causes swelling in the ovaries. This is known as ovarian hyperstimulation syndrome, or OHSS.